Hey guys, LF Tech here, and we've got another Allocacoc product for you. This time we're looking at their AudioCube. Inside the box you get the AudioCube, random papers, a power cord, and audio cable. On the speaker itself you get the typical everyday speaker stuff, such as play, pause, volume up and down, the sync button for Bluetooth, a plug to charge it, a 3.5mm audio cable port, the speakers, and probably the world's largest power button ever. The play, volume, and sync all work pretty well, and the massive power button does exactly what it's supposed to do. So that's fine and all, but isn't there like 1,000 other Bluetooth speakers out there? So what makes this one so great? It seems like Allocacoc has kind of taken a design feature from something outside the typical Bluetooth speaker crowd. Much like a Google Home or an Alexa, with their 360-degree speaker setup, the AudioCube sports this too, and can provide sound in any direction. On top of their speaker design, another interesting design feature is this massive power button. Other than just turning this off and on, this actually functions as a subwoofer. While the side-firing speakers produce highs and mids, the large button on the top has flex to it to provide air movement that produces the lows. It's kind of genius. For those that are interested in the technical specs, the power output is 40 watts, it reaches up to about 90 decibels, it's 3 hours to charge, and then a total of 12-hour playtime, and the Bluetooth range is about 30 feet. So far, on its own, it's a pretty good speaker, but we're seeing that Allocacoc has one other thing up their sleeve with this. Apparently, you can also link multiple ones together. Their host speaker can sync with other modular speakers like this one, in where each fills a different role, like bass, tweeter, and a loudspeaker. Since we only had one speaker, we didn't get to test this, but according to their specs, even each speaker can be almost 100 feet away from each other. So, turning it on, sync it to our phones, and the sound is pretty good. Playing different types of music, it seemed like the audio was just a little flat. But going into the equalizer settings for our phone, moving a little bit around, and boom, then we got some really great sounds. Full, rich, with even a little bit of punch from that bass. We're not quite clear if maybe the app just doesn't relay the sound well, or maybe the speaker doesn't pick it up very well. But it's obvious that with just a little bit of a tweak here, it can really push some really great music. This is with the no equalizer, and here it is with just a few little tweaks from our phone app. We also tested this with YouTube videos on the phone and even with a Nintendo 3DS using the audio jack, and both seem to also match that same initial flat quality sound without any tweaks. So at $135, this sits on the higher end of Bluetooth speakers. But also consider the solid build, the 360-degree range, long battery life, and decent sound quality. If you have personal preferences about what you feel are the most important features in a speaker like this, let us know in the comments below. So what really is the verdict here though? It's really obvious that you're going to get a lot of sound out of the 360-degree speakers, that's a given. We personally like the cube look too, but we just can't help but wish the sound quality was just a little bit better. Don't get us wrong, it's good, just not great. We think this deserves an 8 AudioCubes out of 10. Big shout out to Allocacoc here for sending this to us for a review. If you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, check out the Amazon link below, hit up Allocacoc's site for this and other amazing products that they have, and hit that like button if you liked this, and subscribe to get alerts on future reviews.